Good morning, it's Tony here at Smart Toyota, certified used cars on Odana Road in Madison. Hey, August 2nd, 2022, and new cars are still super hard to come by, but we've got a great selection of certified used Toyota Tacomas. We got about 6 or 8 of them here, and a variety of options and colors available. We have no new ones on the lot. We do have some coming in, and so you can order a new one and put your name on one. But if you need one right away, there's some really fantastic options here today at the dealership. Today I'm going to focus on this one right here. This particular unit's a 2022 certified used with only 4 miles on it. So let's dive in and check it out. So I stretched the truth a little bit on this one. This is a 2022 Tacoma. I said 4 miles. It has 164 miles on it. So it is used, but 164 miles, I would say kind of used, but not really. So what do we have? This is an SR5, 2022 SR5 double cab. And it's 4x4, 3.5 liter V6, but what makes this one unique is the long bed. So this has the 6-foot bed as opposed to the 5 or the 5.5-foot bed, and so if you're looking for that extra cargo room, this might be the one for you. Now Tacoma's bed is all a composite type of bed, so you notice the bed liner is built right into the Tacoma, and it is ready to go. You don't even need to put a bed liner in it. It does have the cleat system or the tie down system as well, and then also notice the bed is slotted out here, so if you want to add a second layer or put in 2 layers, you can do that. Little storage compartment on this side, tie down hooks in the corners as well. Tailgate gate is removable, and the V6, 3.5 liter V6, plenty of power. All Tacomas do come with the trailer towing package, which includes the 7 and 4-pin wiring, pre-wired lighted step bumper, receiver for your hitch, and Toyota also puts full-size spare tires down underneath here as well. So this is ready to go right off the dealer's lot. And this one does have some factory installed Mudguards. Notice the rear bumper, it does have chrome end caps on there, which is standard, and then we have the black graphite painted alloy wheels on there, standard, and then this one does have factory running boards, so that's going to be an extra option, but it really helps to get in and out of the higher step up. On the SR5 edition, the over fenders are also painted colored to match, so the color on this one is magnetic gray metallic. Also your mirror covers colored to match, outside door handles are colored to match, privacy glass on all of your rear windows including the back window there, fog lights standard up front, nice crystal clear headlights on there. We don't even have a new one in stock, so this is a used, and the great thing with the used is you do get if it qualifies, we'll certify it out for you. So all of our used vehicles do have the remainder of the factory warranty. We also include our Smart Care maintenance package. So you do get the 2 years, 25,000 miles, oil changes, tire rotations, and roadside assistance included in the price of every used vehicle we deliver. The interior on this one is going to be the gray cloth interior. Super comfortable, deep bucket seat with adjustable headrest, seat belts, airbags and side airbags, power driver's side seat with power recliner, lumbar support there as well. Of course, automatic transmission, automatic heating and air conditioning system, fingertip controls for your smartphone, Bluetooth connectivity, all on the steering wheel there. And this is the double cab, so you do have the full 4 doors, and so you do have nice room in the back seat for up to 3 passengers. Will seat 4 adults very comfortably, and then a smaller person in that center seat there as well. Quality on the Tacoma, second to none. Resale value amongst the top in all vehicles, and just a great vehicle with a lot of options, standard on that SR5 package, and as I said, ready to go right off the dealer's lot. So we've got 8 of them in stock today, certified used Toyota Tacomas, and then I believe we have availability up to 20 new ones. Most of them will sell before they hit the lot. Hey, if you like that video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, and then give us a call if you're interested in learning more. Visit our website, smarttoyota.com. This is Tony at Smart Certified Used Cars. Thanks for watching.